So today I want to install this light fixture in my office. The cool thing about it is that there is an app that controls this light, and there's so many different options that you could do that after I install it, I'm going to show you what they are. Let's get this installed. And just like that, that's how simple it is to install this ceiling light fixture in any room in the house. Now, the cool thing about this is it comes with an app that you could download right on your phone, and then you could control the different amount of colors, whether if you want white tone or if you want an actual color in the room that you have this light fixture. It's simple. All you have to do is just change the color temperature right there on the app. You could have your different scenes. You could program it to change different colors throughout the day. And then of course, if you wanted to have a certain color, you could change it as simple as going through the spectrum on the color on the app. Really responsive, really easy to set up. All you have to do is either set it up through Bluetooth or connect it to Wi-Fi. Anybody could do it within minutes. Highly recommend this for anybody looking to update their light fixture in their home today. Thanks again for watching. Good luck for your purchase and have a great day.